You pull out your phone and a tiny blue dot shows your exact location on a map of the entire planet. It feels like magic, but it's not using your Wi-Fi and it's not using your cell signal. The mind-blowing fact is that your phone is communicating with satellites in space, and the whole system works by measuring one thing: time. You can find out where you are just by listening to the ticks of distant clocks. So, how come GPS actually works? The first part of the answer is simple geometry. Orbiting the Earth is a network of about 30 GPS satellites. Each one has a hyper-accurate atomic clock, and it's constantly broadcasting a simple radio signal that says two things: I am satellite Alpha, and right now the time is precisely this. Your phone's GPS chip picks up these signals. Since the signal travels at the speed of light, your phone can calculate how far away it is from each satellite by measuring the tiny delay between when the signal was sent and when it arrived. If you know your distance from one satellite, you're on a giant invisible sphere. If you get a signal from 3 or 4 satellites, there's only one spot on Earth where all those spheres intersect. That spot is you. But there's a massive, mind-bending problem with the system. It shouldn't work at all. And the reason why comes from Albert Einstein. His theory of relativity proves that time is not constant. First, because the satellites are moving so fast, their clocks actually tick slightly slower than ours on the ground. But because they are in a weaker gravitational field far from the Earth, their clocks also tick slightly faster. This second effect is much stronger. When you combine them, the clocks on GPS satellites run ahead of Earth clocks by about 38 microseconds every single day. That sounds like nothing, but if engineers didn't correct for it, GPS navigation errors would grow by about 10 kilometers every single day. The system would be useless within minutes. And that's how GPS works. It's a brilliant system of clocks that can only function because its software directly accounts for the fact that time itself is warped by speed and gravity. The next time you use your phone to navigate, remember what you're really doing. You are performing a real-world, everyday experiment that proves Einstein's theory of relativity is true. It's not just an abstract idea. It's the invisible software running the tiny blue dot that guides you through your world.